Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to talk to you about some common algebraic axioms or properties. So the first one is the commutative property. And the commutative property says that if I add two numbers a plus b, then it would be the same thing to have b plus a. And the commutative property holds for addition and multiplication. So then I can also say that a times b is equivalent to b times a. So this is the commutative property. The distributive property says that if I take a number a and I multiply it by the quantity of b plus c, that's going to be the same thing as the product of a and b plus the product of a and c. That's the distributive property. Then I have the additive identity property. And if you think about identity, it means oneself. So we're always going to get the number or the value back to itself. And the way to do that when you're adding is, of course, to just add 0. Because if I add 0, I end up back with the identity of a. So the additive identity property says that if you add 0 to a number, you end up with that same number. By that same logic, the multiplicative identity property says that if I multiply a number by 1, I'm going to end up with that same number. That's the multiplicative identity property. Then we have some inverse properties or axioms, which say that the one for addition says that if I add a number to its additive inverse, I'm going to get 0. A number plus its opposite is equal to 0. And then the multiplicative identity inverse property says that if I multiply a number by its reciprocal, which would be 1 over that number, I'm going to end up with 1. So we have commutative property, distributive property. This is our identity property of addition and multiplication, and our inverse property of addition and multiplication. So these are a few of the really important algebraic axioms and properties.